Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be announcing the winners for my small giveaway prizes. I want to thank each and every one of you for those that commented on the giveaway video. Really appreciate all of your lovely comments. Those comments that I've read just inspire me to continue to do what I love and share with you guys more projects and tutorials. So again, thank you for everyone that wanted to join in the giveaway. I wish I could give each and every one of you a little prize, but I'm not able to do that, so I do apologize for that. But I have picked out my winners, and the winners will randomly be sent one of these really lovely side pockets. I did add a couple more prizes in there for you when you do receive them. I'll quickly just show you what you will receive, and then I'll also announce the winners. So in the prizes, in one of this pocket here, you'll get one of my little embellishments, and on the back here you get a couple more shapes and some word sentiments for you to use, and then you can reuse the packaging as well that I've already embellished with a topper that goes in there. I won't take all of the prizes out because I want to make this video really quick, because I'm sure you're all waiting to find out who the winners are. These are just some of my tab dies and some tags. So most of these pockets have similar gifts in there. So this one also has the sequins which I showed you in the other video. This also has some of the page tabs and some tags in the little pocket, and also one of my embellishments, and again at the back you get some shapes and sentiments as well for you to use. So I won't show you the rest because I want to get on with the winners, but I'm happy to say that because there were so many of you that had commented, I did say I was going to give away 4 of these to 4 of my subscribers, but I just had to do 2 more side pockets to give away to 2 more subscribers. So I made 2 more with some goodies, so I'll have 6 winners to announce in this video, so not 4. So hopefully one of you will receive one of these, and also you will get one of these clear stamps that you can use in your projects. So you'll get a random stamp in your prizes as well. I had a large sheet of clear stamps, and I had 2 of the clear sheet stamps, so I've just cut them out and individually packaged these. So you will get one of these, and again I didn't embellish these page tab die toppers. I thought that'd be for you if you wanted to embellish these, and then you can also reuse these packaging as well for your happy mail that you might want to send off to your crafty friend. So you will get one of those as well. So I'm going to now announce the winners, and then I'll put my details down below on my email address for you to email me your postage details. And also what else? Alright, I think that's about it. Good luck everybody. Again, thank you everyone for participating. Being the month of September, it is the month of my birthday, so I will be doing more giveaways. So continue watching all of my videos, and then you'll get some updates on more of my videos coming up. Okay, so these names are not in any order, and you just get a random pocket with one of my stamps. Alright, so the first winner that I had picked out was, I'm sorry again, I hope I've announced everyone's names correctly. So the first one's Florence B. So congratulations, Florence, you have won one of my pockets. Karen Steele, Phyllis Turnell, Ida Williams, Tralo Pops, and Nettie Topolinsky. So they're the winners. I will put all of your names down below as well in the video, below this video. So I do hope I've pronounced your names properly. Thank you everybody for joining in. I had a lot of fun making these, and I do hope you enjoy my little side loaded pockets with all these goodies. I'll see you in my next video and for more giveaways. Bye.